Hello world, my name is Marko Pavlovic and I'm a project manager at Vivify Ideas. Today I'm going to talk about projects, project management, project lifecycle, and how we at Vivify Ideas apply best knowledges and common practices in mentioned areas. Project management is the collection of methods, processes, skills, knowledge, and experience applied to meet and achieve specific project requirements. Project management has final deliverables that are constrained to a finite time scale and budget. This triangle that consists of scope of the work, time to deliver, and budget is usually known as triple constraint. It is the area in which every project manager works on a daily basis. A project is a unique and temporary endeavor undertaken by an individual or group of persons to achieve planned objectives, which could be defined in terms of output, outcome, or benefits. Projects are undertaken to create a unique product, services, all results, all in order to deliver a value for those who are willing to take the project journey. According to the two most renewed project methodologies, PMI on the one hand and Prince on another hand, every project in its life goes to the same phases or processes. Once grouped, these phases are known as the project management lifecycle. These phases are project initiation, project planning, project execution, monitoring and control, and at the very end, project closure. Today I'm going to talk a little bit more about the project initiation as a very first step and foundation in project management journey. Project initiation establishes common ground or common understanding among the project participants. It gives a clear reason why we start the project. It outlines the scope of the work or what is to be done and what not. Project initiation defines project deliverables and costs to deliver the value. In an initial kickoff meeting, we perform joint exercise with the clients, during which we walk the clients through the Vivify Ideas uniquely prepared RFP questionnaire. RFP questionnaire is a set of carefully prepared set of questions, all in order to get the answers on a question such as: what is the current state of the project? What specific problem does the project try to achieve? Who are competitors and on-market alternatives? Does the project require any specific technology, any specific software, or even hardware? What are risks, opportunities, assumptions, and threats related to this project, and have they been properly identified? By performing this initial exercise, our goal is to have a mutual understanding on who is who on the project, who is a decision maker, and who are the key stakeholders. We understand what will be inside the project and what will be excluded out of it. Thank you for watching and stay with me, because in the upcoming videos we are going to talk about the next steps in the project management lifecycle, which is project planning. We will speak about estimation, planning, road mapping, communication, and other interesting topics in project management world.